The world of photography is on the verge of a major transformation. For years, both professionals and enthusiasts have been eagerly awaiting a camera that doesn't simply improve upon what's come before, but completely redefines the standards of what's possible. Now, it seems that Nikon is ready to deliver on this long-awaited promise. Leaks and insider reports are hinting at an extraordinary release on the horizon, the Nikon Z9 Mark II. This isn't just another incremental step forward in the mirrorless camera world. It's a monumental leap that could reshape the way we capture moments, shoot films, and create stunning visual art. So, grab your coffee and settle in as we explore the groundbreaking features that could make the Nikon Z9 Mark II the ultimate tool every creator has been waiting for. This camera might be the game changer that photographers, filmmakers, and content creators have long been hoping for. Let's dive into what makes this model stand out in an already crowded market. At the heart of the Z9 Mark II lies the proven strength of Nikon's technology. Early leaks suggest that the camera will retain the impressive 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor that powered the original Z9. This sensor is already a powerhouse, known for its sharpness, detail, and dynamic range. However, what's exciting this time is the introduction of a significantly more powerful processor. Rumors indicate that the Z9 Mark II could feature the new XP8 processor, a considerable upgrade over the previous model's chip. So, why does this matter? A faster processor isn't just about increasing performance speed. It translates to quicker image rendering, better low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range. The result? Sharper, cleaner images that maintain high quality even in challenging shooting conditions. Whether you're capturing a fast-paced winter sports scene in the freezing mountains or snapping wildlife in the wild outdoors, the Z9 Mark II promises to deliver exceptional results every time. When it comes to speed, the Nikon Z9 Mark II is making some serious waves. Nikon has reportedly engineered this camera to shoot an astonishing 120 frames per second at full resolution. Yes, you read that right, 120 frames per second without compromising on image quality. This isn't just about capturing more frames in a second, it's about capturing moments that were previously invisible to the naked eye. Whether it's the blink of an eye, the flap of a bird's wing, or the fleeting emotion on someone's face, this camera allows you to freeze time with precision and clarity. For photographers who thrive in fast-paced, action-packed environments, this kind of speed is a game changer. Whether you're capturing sports, fast-moving wildlife, or other high-speed scenes, the Z9 Mark II's performance is set to revolutionize how you approach these types of shots. None of this incredible speed would matter if the autofocus system couldn't keep up. Fortunately, Nikon has reportedly invested heavily in improving the autofocus system for the Z9 Mark II. The new system is said to be faster, more intelligent, and